holding the feeling. Ice me out, ice me out, ice me out, nigga, ice me out.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this wig today that I got from Chinalacewig. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I put it on, style it, and how I wear it. So if you guys want to see how I do this, make sure you guys keep watching, and of course you can go get the link below. Alright y'all, so the wig I have today is from Chinalacewig. So this is a wig. I washed it and I haven't cut this off yet. So we're just brushing through it, and so far the hair is really soft. It's really thick, I'll give it that. It's definitely really thick. Y'all know I never wear orange, so this is different for me. Alright y'all, this is completely different for me because y'all know I never wear orange hair, and I feel like my skin is like orange because like I have such a yellow undertone, so I think that's why I never do it. It's just, you know, different for me, but I feel like I might like this. Oh, it's hot. The hair holds heat. So thick though. I love that because wigs shed so quick. So the thicker the wig, the longer the wig is gonna last. My arm gets hairy. The thing I like to do with hair that's like freshly blow dried is just run through it first with the straightener and then go back over it, because it's not going to straighten how you want it to straighten the first time. It's going to take a second. So now we're going to go back down to the bottom. See, and now this is really soft. So we can go over this again.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
See, yeah. And especially because his hair is so thick, you know, you want to really make sure you're straightening it. Get into the core. I got my heat all the way up. I also feel like this is a really good wig to dye, which I think I'm gonna end up doing. I've been waiting to dye some of my hair red. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this hair. Put like a burgundy tint into it.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
You really want to make sure you're straightening the front the most. Because you want this to lay flat. I wear my wigs in middle parts. I don't know about y'all, but that's just what I like. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do it this side and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I just got done straightening this side. So now we're gonna go ahead and fit this cap to my head because it doesn't fit. So what I mean by it doesn't fit is my ears right here aren't, it's too big. So I'm just gonna pull this back and carve straight and then straight down. And a little bit more needs to be taken off. So you're just gonna keep cutting it until it gets comfortable. See? Now it fits around my ear. So I could tuck it behind my ear if I wanted to. This one is way bigger, so you guys can see it's going way too far over my ear. Taking my Chinalacewig glue, and I'm just going to be applying it around my head. So you're going to take a comb and you're just going to go in and press it down. So now it's time to do the beige part. We are going to start from the middle and cut off. Audio Jungle. Okay, y'all. Then we're gonna go through and straighten it one more time. Alright, you guys, so this is my finished look. I completely flipped this wig around, I feel like, and I'm actually really feeling it. So if you guys like this hair, you can get this wig below, and you could wear this for any occasion. Wear it if you want this color, you could wear it for Halloween, a costume, anything. So go ahead and grab this wig from Chinalacewig Wigs, and if you're new to my channel, like and subscribe, and of course turn my post notifications on, and I'll be back with more videos.